Hey there, this is Ankur Malviya. Welcome to another vlog from Automation Minders. In this lecture, I'm going to show you the Chrome Dev Tool feature called Recorder. This is one of the useful feature by which an automation engineer can work when can inspect an element, can record each and every steps properly from the UI. So there are some limitations as well, but this is one useful feature. So let me give you a walkthrough. Before to that, I just wanted to give you some background. If you remember, we have a tool called Selenium IDE before, where we used to do this feature of record and play. Later on, we know the Microsoft has come into the picture with his tool called Playwright tool. So there are a lot of tools in the market, both commercial and open source. But now Google has made this feature freely available for the user those who are using Chrome browser. The name called Recorder. So you can find this recorder feature from the dev tool here. You can see the recorder option is here, and the tool is you can utilize this tool for recording UI stuffs. So this is the official website developer.chrome.com. They have given very good documentation with proper examples how to use this feature, how to record the steps, how to replay that steps, how to download the file in some other extension, how to do the performance metrics and all. Many things are there. So this I explain. I'm going to explain this particular thing, the whole thing in my video. No need to worry. Please, if you watch this video, you will understand how to use this feature, how to use that JSON file in the further tools. Let's say I'm in this demo, I'm going to show you the further tools, CI/CD tool called Puppeteer, how to use that the downloaded file into Puppeteer to run the scripts and all. So let's start. So for this demo, I'm using this website called Practice Test Automation. I'm just going to show you the normal steps of username, password, login button and all. So this I'm going to do. So for that, to enable that feature, what we need to do, we need to go to developer tools. In developer tools, you will get the feature here on this strip, but if you're not able to see, you need to hit on this double forward arrow, or either you can click on this three dot. You have to go to more tools, and from here you can pull that recorder if it is not there. So both way you can get it. So let me open this recorder feature here. So this is a fresh script which I am going to create right now. So let me hit on the create a new recording. So this is a demo recording and we need to see here, it is asking us what are all items to be recorded. So I'm good with this CSS and XPath. So there are other as text as like other attribute as well as we can use text as well, but it is good if we are using CSS and XPath. So let me hit on the record button. So as soon as we hit on the record button, let me show you from here. So it start capturing the our actions on this UI page. So now in username, let me refresh the page. So if I refresh the page, the next step is I'm going to put the username. Let me copy the username from here, Control V. So this action also got got recorded here, keys up, double clicks and all. So here I changed the username blank to student. We can see from here. Now this is the username, this is CSS selector hash username, and this is XPath, it got recorded here, and this is a value which I just copied and pasted here. Similarly, I'm just going to either this time I'm going to type it, password 123. So here you can see now I entered password. So let me check. So password has entered here. Okay, now I'm going to hit on the submit button. Click submit button has been clicked here. Okay, now I wanted to click on logout. So logout happened. So let's say let's keep this script till here only. Log in to logout. I'm going to hit on the end recording. So now you can see our actions has been recorded here in terms of scripts. Okay, everything is here. So now if we want to see how replay works, let me change this URL to Google just for our testing purpose. I don't want that URL to be there. If this recording was very 100% successful, definitely the same page will appear and all actions will be done. Okay, let me hit on the replay button. So it entered password, submit, log out. Oh, successfully done. So 100% successful. That's good actually. Okay, so this is one thing. You can see how easily we just recorded the steps easily, and everything will be taken care from this Chrome Dev tool feature called recorder. XPath, everything. No need to worry on the inspecting element, creating our own XPath, other things as well. But if we want to changes here, let's say I don't want this step to be here, or before to the previous step, after the next step, so we can do from here. Even we can create at breaking points, breakpoint, let's say some debugging if you want to do. Okay, uh, also we can change the XPath from here. We can change the values. We can create some assert event here, like if we want to assert here, we need to do validation. We can do validation here as well. So we can do validation here. Everything we can do. Even if we want to create some sleep timeout, we need to do, we can do from here. So let me do one more time. So here validation is happening, everything is done successful. So now it's good actually. Okay, now the next step is here. I'm going to show you how to use this script in the furthermore integrated tool. So there is an option here called export. Also before to that, you can see there are different options. We can run this end-to-end demo slowly, very slowly, extremely slow. This is also one of the good feature. Okay, if everything is running fast. So now I'm going to hit on this export button. So there are different options: JSON, add the Puppeteer, replay, Puppeteer, everything is here. So let me, there is one more thing is including lighthouse and lighthouse analysis. So this is another tool from Chrome Dev tool called Lighthouse. This is for performance testing. So this demo I will be going to cover in the next part. This is one of the good useful tool called Lighthouse, but for this demo I'm just using this I'm just keeping my demo till this particular recorder tool only. So I'm hitting on this JSON. So demo test will be, I'm just wanted to store on my desktop, so I'm going to save on my desktop. So now I'm desktop, so I'm going to create a folder called let's say demo Chrome recorder. Okay, so I created a file called here. Okay, so I am inside that. So we can see from on our here we have created this folder called demo. Okay, now I wanted to initiate here my scripts. Okay, so here we need to initiate our npm. So init y. So here you can see we have initiated our node, and now I wanted my Puppeteer to be initiated. So now you can see it will create all the necessary jar files and all. If we check our that folder, now you can see everything is here. Okay, I wanted to create a folder here name as recordings. Okay, now whatever script we have saved here, right, the demo test, let me put inside it. So now you can see this recording folder having this demo test JSON, which we just downloaded from the our recorded JSON file. Okay, now we have to run a script from our terminal. How we can do, let me show you. So there is an option called npx replay, and our recording inside we have that JSON file inside recordings. Let me run on this. So it is headless mode, we will not see the actual browser, but you can see with this duration our script has been successfully executed. If we want to see browser everything running, so we need to add on this arguments. So now it is happening, see it's submitting, logout happened successful, so it has happened. Okay,